Participants arrived at the New York Public Library in the Bronx to watch the informative documentary, American Delivery. The film focuses on the life-threatening challenges that women face while pregnant and during childbirth. It also shows the major systemic differences when it comes to maternal care in the States versus overseas. The biggest difference is the proactive use of midwives, which is often overlooked in America.
I see midwives as the essential, critical part of it. And there's so many studies that show midwives making an impact that they do, and that, they have the saying, midwives save lives. I go by that, and that's part of why I'm a big advocate for more integration and expansion of scope of midwives in New York.
Midwives believes that we're not here to manage your health care. We're here to support it to the best that we can. And so there are many things that impact a woman's health, whether she has a home, whether she can eat well, whether she has, a job that allows her to have a sustainable life. There are many, many things that impact a woman's ability to be healthy. And if you're healthy before you become pregnant, then your outcome is even better. So we not only focus on the woman's health at that particular time when we see her, but we focus on all the other things that would impact her life that would enable her to be healthy and have a good women's health reproductive state.
After the impactful screening, there was a helpful discussion between doulas and midwives and audience members on how to prepare for a safe and healthy maternal journey.
I think the biggest thing to take away as far as incorporation goes is learning about the accessibility that a specific hospital provides. So moving forward, not necessarily for giving birth, but for any kind of services, making sure that what you want before being exposed to what the hospital has to offer will be really helpful in navigating where to actually find appropriate care, because medical care isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of thing. So it's important to have your own kind of expectations prior to going into an organization. Then, your expectations can be weighed.
Today's screening and conversation focused on the systemic problems in the United States when it comes to maternal care. Reporting for BronxNet, I'm Nova.